Hello! Today, QUOC Zui Woodworking Machine introduces an automatic tool changer CNC machining center customized specifically to the requirements of our client. This machine is designed with a 5-axis machining center structure featuring a high Z-axis clearance of 500 millimeters. It is used for machining large, solid wood product components. On screen, you are currently seeing some chair parts being processed, and the next step is the shaping of the complete chair mold. The machine operates with high versatility, utilizing 12 automatically changing tools for flexible operations, delivering high efficiency for your business. If you are also in need of a similar machine model, contact us today.